turn on the secretion of oil in olive oil with absolute safety. According to some of the leading physicians, olive oil contains a variety of good vitamins in the field of beauty such as A, E, K, D. So olive oil is considered as a pharmacy is created to help beauty. Special skin with closed skin. This is why the roses are covered with olive oil. Sukavankan.com will teach you how to make rose petals with the best olive oil, with the effect of restoring and regenerating the skin, to make the skin more youthful and glowing. Therefore, to make a natural rose petal with olive oil, you just apply a quantity of olive oil to the girl and the skin on the side of about 10-15 minutes per day. Then massage gently to help the nutrients penetrate the closed area from where the area becomes pink from the inside. After the massage, you need to re-cleanse the area with cold water. Olive oil closed with olive oil requires that you need to persist for a long time to see the effect. Use olive oil and oatmeal as a pink zone. Olive oil and oatmeal are the perfect combination when you want a smooth, bright pink skin. You just mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of olive oil so that the mixture blends together. Then you clean the area and then covered olive mask and oats on the closed area and the skin next to. You lie relaxed about 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Just once a week will make your private area pink and radiant. With olive oil, your patience and perseverance are required. You need to apply this method of beauty in the long run. This method is often applied to sisters have time. However, you can apply the method of natural rosacea with youth flower deodorant capsules will be effective immediately after you use. Note, when you do the olive oil extraction with olive oil, you should not duck deep into the vagina. This is not good for your vaginal environment and can increase inflammation. The dates is good lady, good grandfather. During the new year, many homes have dates. Phoenix dactylifera. The fruit is native to Africa, southeastern Europe, Crete and southern Asia, from Turkey east to southern China and Malaysia. There are many types. Dates are Canary, dates are C, dates are Senegal, dates are Ruby, dates are Cliff, dates are India, dates are Tunisian. Not only rich in natural fiber, dates are also a source of vitamins A, B, K, trace elements, fat. Scientists in the UK say that eating dates is essential for a balanced and healthy diet. Doses against constipation, intestinal disorders, reduce obesity, reduce cardiovascular diseases, blood pressure, excess cholesterol, diarrhea. Dates are also nourishing for muscular development. DM also helps to brighten the eyes and prevent night blindness. Especially very beneficial for both adults and children. Malnutrition as well as patients in the recovery period. As a result of a modern medical survey, dates are helpful in preventing organ cancers. It provides energy to relieve fatigue within half an hour. Tonic for gentlemen. With poor physiology, quality and number of sperm poor, eating will have the effect of sexual arousal. Just soak a few dates in a glass of goat's milk and let it overnight. The next morning crush together with a little nutmeg and a spoonful of honey. This is the traditional remedies of Vedic medicine to treat impotence, physiological weakness and support for infertile couples. The American Cancer Society recommends that 20 to 35 grams of fiber a day be met only by eating a few dates. That is why it is considered as the king of candy and food, ideal for the body to easily balance and digest food. People eat the dates in many ways, such as mixing with yogurt, milk or with butter, bread, dessert, or cut into small slices and sprinkle on pastries and puddings to add flavor. Especially, dates are considered one of the strongest alkaline foods and provide the body with a fiber called beta-glucan, which helps to delay the absorption sugar in the small intestine and reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the blood. Thus, supplements and dietary supplements for diabetics and hypertension should be encouraged. Put a toothpaste on the little boy that helps stretch it. In recent times, it has been claimed by many that applying a toothpaste to a little boy is an effective firefighting solution for premature ejaculation. How bad is this information? For him, the story not go to the market, spend all the money is always a serious problem, but extremely difficult to disclose. With the shame mentality, many men are afraid to go to the medical facilities to be searched and treated, but to find the magic that others pass. in recent times. It has been claimed by many that applying a toothpaste to a little boy is an effective firefighting solution for premature ejaculation. How bad is this information? Toothpaste is indispensable in daily life of every family. Not only clean teeth, avoid tooth decay, but also known toothpastes with many interesting effects such as lightening jewelry, soothage, insect bites, remove stains on clothes, cup or keep hair as a specialized gel. Recently, it was also reported that the V.a.g toothpaste has the miracle uses. Prolonged sexual intercourse for men. According to this pharmacy, toothpaste when applied to little boy not only disinfect, but also delay ejaculation. Prolonged love. One of those who tried to find the pharmacist is Mr. V.a.g, 30 years old, Lindam, Hanoi. Married more than 6 years, the room is always warm, because both husband and wife have high demand for sex. However, 1 year back, do not understand due to health deterioration, or for what reason, his little boy suddenly evident, often not listening to the control of the owner. Every time close, age still try to maintain only a few minutes, while his wife is in the spring age, expose the right quality a girl is still. Nothing. For months, they both worried, wife advised to go to the doctor, but age embarrassed, so again. Do not want to go to hospital so extreme, he expresses suffering for the comrades, and the desire to receive advice. There are people who taunt him to drink the kind of positive energies such as snake wine, gecko. Some people buy the medicine to use energy. So much so that he felt remorse for not speaking out early to the comrades for advice. However, because he wants to be effective immediately, Mr. H follows the simple instructions of a person. It is a toothpaste that contains mint on top of the little boy. This person has tried and found very effective, not only quickly stimulated little boy, but also control ejaculation early. That evening, Mr. H bought a tube of mint toothpaste available at the beginning of the bed, preparing for the plan to regain style. Indeed, when applying toothpaste, H felt his little boy cold and numb to make the erection state is maintained longer than seen. Hence, the husband and wife then. H have permission to use his wife magic to love goes smoothly. His wife did not mind, because the toothpaste was used to kill the bacteria, so it would not harm. However, after pretending to be no husband to lose inspiration, she had to talk with her husband about the problem in the closed area. Medical examination. Her sister was a doctor, notified gynecologic infection should go home. Her husband always used the secret the other toothpaste has no effect. About the effect of improving the health of the little boy of peppermint toothpaste. Dr. P.e.n.i.s specialization of Nam Hoc, Hong Kong Hospital said that mint in toothpaste really beneficial. Men's erection. Mint lotion contains cleansing agents. Mints, amino acids. In which mint has a cool taste that stimulates peripheral nerve endings, which is beneficial for erectile dysfunction. Small. However, toothpaste contains a lot of other chemicals that can be counterproductive because small is very sensitive parts. Abuse of non-specialized products in the long run will cause serious consequences. The most dangerous is the inflammation of the genitals, affecting fertility. According to Dr. N2N, men's masculinity is very sensitive. So men using a mint-applied toothpaste on the part will quickly feel numb. Numbness. That is the reason can inhibit the ejaculation, prolonged time battle. However, in essence, the length of time is not significant, it is only psychological measures for the long time gentleman encounters the not go to the market spent all the money. Just as it used to be in the past, a man's method of using topical or topical sprays to lengthen sexual intercourse. But this type of anesthetics makes the user lose sexual pleasure, so it is gradually removed, said Dr. Tuan. From the onion. No need for expensive, or sexually stimulating drugs. Just from the onion, the same recipe cooked fried. Cooked science is that you have a drug recharge the kidney is excellent. Wives learn how to make the following delicious dishes with onions to improve the health of your husband and your sex life. Onion pickled with vinegar. Material: 1 medium onion, about 100 grams. Vinegar. Making: chop the onion, cut longitudinally, sliced about 2 centimeters wide, and then into the bowl of vinegar just right. Soak for 4 hours. Then season with seasoning, sugar to eat. Dosage: eating between 50 to 100 grams, continuous 1 to 2 months. You will see the effect clearly. Pork chop onion. Material: 2 pigs, 1 onion, some garlic, white wine, cooking oil, oyster sauce, spices just enough. Making: pigs cleaned, double dip, dragon scabbard. Sliced thickness 2 fingers. Then dip it in boiling water that is boiled with white wine and salt. When the cheeks are full, remove the basket. Onion cut. Sliced vertically, thin pieces. Pound the crushed garlic into a non-fragrant pan, and then add the onion to medium fry, seasoning, sugar, oyster on the island. Then pour the mixture of pigs into the mix as edible. How to use: eat hot foods regularly until the physiological condition is improved. This is considered to be the best nutritional supplement for men. Stir-fried bean and onion. Material: 1 onion, 200 grams fresh shrimp, peeled, 100 grams peas, some garlic. Spicy enough. Making: marinate prawns with spices for 10 minutes. Cracked onion, chopped square pieces of chopped peas, clean peas, washed to dry. Transfer the aromatic garlic to the onion and sauté the pan to the plate. Stir the shrimp to 9, and pour the peas and sauté with a little oyster sauce. When the beans come to the onion, turn over and off the kitchen. Take out the dish. How to use: serve hot with rice. This is a healthy food for both men and women.